just a relaxing, beautiful and informative place to spend some time. Equal parts local history, art/architecture and natural space, followed by one of the best meals we enjoyed on the island during our week-long stay. Local artists on exhibit, local crafts for sale and a passionate staff to convey the history of it all. Start your day with a guided tour at Landhuis Bloemhof. Step into our colorful world of art, heritage, nature and connect with who we are. Encounter Curaçao's unique trees, plants, lizards and more, strolling through our natural park. Up next is a visit to the studio of our late patron of the arts, Henriquez, whose legacy is well preserved in her frozen-in-time sculpture studio. More art is on display around the premises, at our current local contemporary art exhibition in the Landhuis, 1735, and in our inspiring cultural archive. Check out the outdoor studio of Hortence Brouwn, a local sculptor, and the Cathedral of Thorns by artist Herman van Bergen, which is a building-sized labyrinth, made of approximately 92 million thorns from the Acacia Tortuosa bush tree in honor of Mother Nature and the free spirit. A walk through its art-filled corridors is a must-do experience. And finally, visit the gift shop to take a lasting memory home. Refreshment included.